Hello again, and here we are in week 2, and this is the second page in the math section. It says 15 at the bottom and lesson 1-12 up at the top. So we have another money problem. We've got some dimes, some pennies. If you need a little cheat sheet, here you go to remind yourself of how much they are worth. Remember, we like to write the value of the coins up top, and then that helps us when we are adding them. They want us to skip count by 5 starting at 20. So write your counts as you skip count. We're going to show 2 ways to make 30 cents. So what I want you to do here is I want you to draw a line down the middle so that you can show me one way to make 30 cents and one other way to make 30 cents. Here we're going to start at 15. We're going to count up 9. Remember, you can always make a number line for yourself. You could use your number grid or you could count in your head. And then down here we have a number line and we want to write the number 6 in the correct spot. This one is 0, this one is 10. So you're going to think about where 6 will go. So I'm going to actually have you guys, since we've done all of these before, I'm going to have you pause the video to do your work and then we'll come back and discuss the answers. And this time I'm going to make sure to press pause and not stop. See you in just a minute. Okay, Mrs. Olin didn't stop the video. She just paused it. So we're ready to go over the answers. I wrote my values of my coins. I had 2 dimes and 5 pennies. So if I count, I have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So for 25 cents. When I skip count by 5s, I started at 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Now, there are lots of different ways to make 30 cents. And before, I did not mention that you are only supposed to use penny, dimes, and nickels. If you use quarters, awesome. Don't worry about it. But, so one way that I did, which I think a lot of you will probably do, is I did 3 dimes, 10, 20, 30. Then I did 1 dime, 10, 15, 20. Mrs. Olin, I'm only at 20 cents. So I didn't forget, I was just seeing if you noticed. There we go. So 25, 30. Again, I did not forget. I never forget anything. You know that. Okay, when I started at 15 and counted up 9, it put me at 24. 6 on the number line. I knew that this was 0, so I just counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here are the answers for the second page in the math section of week 2. Awesome job, everybody.